Hello everyone. This is going to be a very quick video on using plain English to explain correlations. So this is from the correlation review in class warm-up. It's extra credit for my online classes. It's required for my in-person classes. And for question 1, you have to run a correlation between mindset and hours spent studying. And you do so, and you can see the results right here on my page with SPSS output. We see that there were 171 people who answered the question, how many hours do you spend studying per week? And the mindset scale, this is Dweck's mindset scale. We see the correlation is Pearson's R equals 0.16. The next question is explain this correlation in plain English. Plain English means simple language that anyone could understand. If you said there was a positive correlation between mindset and study hours, you got a 0. Because what does that mean? What does positive correlation mean? Imagine you're talking to a 10-year-old who's never heard of statistics, or your grandmother who's never heard of statistics, and you say there's a positive correlation between mindset and study hours. Are they going to know what you mean? No, they're not. To understand mindset, you either had to listen to me talking in class, or click on the link that goes to Carol Dweck's site and explains mindset. Mindset can be categorized as either growth, which is higher scores, or fixed mindset. People with more growth mindset have a greater belief that intelligence can be changed and improved. People with fixed mindset believe that your intelligence can't really be changed and it is what it is. It's what you're born with, right? So higher scores on the mindset scale means a greater belief in intelligence being able to be changed, right? Study hours is how many hours you study per week. So to put this in plain English, you have to say something along the lines of people who believe intelligence can be changed study more. Full stop. That's it. That's all you need. People who study more tend to believe that they have greater potential for changing their intelligence. That's another example. If you said people with growth mindset study more, you got half a point. Because what's growth mindset? What does that mean? Some people got really creative and said people whose mindset grows study more. That doesn't make any sense. So when you use plain English, put it in words anyone can understand. If you say the word positive or negative correlation, not everyone is going to be able to understand it. So don't use those words. To use plain English, you must understand the variables. All right? Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.